Nestled within the breathtaking landscapes of Taiwan, where nature's wonders never cease to amaze, scientists have stumbled upon a discovery that defies explanation and has set their hearts racing with both awe and trepidation. Deep within this island paradise, veiled from the prying eyes of the world, a well-kept secret has been unearthed, one that holds the potential to reshape our understanding of the natural world and challenge the very fabric of our existence. In this video, we bring you scientists' terrifying new discovery hidden in Taiwan. Subscribe to our channel and let's go! Ancient civilization of tiny people. A team of researchers from different countries might have found proof of an ancient Austronesian community in Taiwan. They made this discovery in a cave located in southeastern Taiwan, where archaeologists studied the remains of a 6,000-year-old skull and femur bones. These bones belonged to the Negritos, a group of people who are still present in the Philippines, Malay Peninsula, and Andaman Islands. This finding sheds light on Taiwan's distant past, indicating that a hunter-gatherer society lived on the island long before the Austronesian people, who are the ancestors of today's indigenous groups, arrived. The skulls found in the Xiaomi cave were similar to other Negrito skulls, and the femur bones were identified as belonging to a young woman who was just under 4 feet tall. Although the timeline raises questions, considering that Negrito skulls are about 6,000 years old and Austronesian populations emerged around 5,000 years ago, there may have been a connection between the Negritos and the initial Austronesian arrivals in Taiwan. The disappearance of the Negritos is attributed to their hunter-gatherer lifestyle, which did not fit well with settled agricultural societies. They likely faced difficulties adapting to the changing ways of life and might have been displaced from their homeland. The research team also looked at historical documents from the Qing dynasty, which mentioned a small, dark-skinned population. Different accounts present varying perspectives, with some seeing them as adversaries and others claiming to have wiped out this ancient group approximately 1,000 years ago. Discovery of a terrifying 6-foot prehistoric worm. Recently unearthed in Southeast Asia, the immense creature named Penignus formosa existed over 20 million years ago and possessed a fearsome set of dagger-like jaws that tore its victims apart. With a length of about 6.5 feet, this toothed monster could drag even large marine animals into its burrow, leaving terror in its path. The identification of Penignus formosa was possible through the study of its massive L-shaped burrow, which measured over an inch in width. It used lightning-fast lunges to snatch unsuspecting passers-by with its powerful jaws, offering little chance of escape. Interestingly, this prehistoric creature is believed to be an ancestor of the bobbit worm, one of the most fearsome predators in today's oceans. The bobbit worm, featured in Sir David Attenborough's Blue Planet 2, can grow up to 10 feet long and has been known to attack humans. The new species' feeding behavior intrigues scientists. It would hide within its burrow, waiting for the perfect moment to explosively launch upwards and capture its prey. The still living victims would then be pulled into the worm's underground lair for consumption. 85,000-year-old 50-foot whale fossil discovered in Taiwan's jungle. In the tropical forest of southern Taiwan, an amazing discovery took place during a treasure hunt led by an archaeologist and a local collector. As they explored through the moss-covered rocks and vibrant greenery, they were intrigued by a strange sight: 4 sticking-out ribs. This led them to start a big digging project, and they found a huge whale fossil dating back 85,000 years. The fossil was almost 50 feet long and about 70% complete. They unearthed different parts, like the bones in the back, shoulder blades, and the jawbone. The jawbone was the biggest and heaviest part, weighing over 730 pounds. To move the fossils out of the forest, the team used stretchers. It took 12 people about 7 hours just to carry the jawbone. New strawberry crab species discovered. Have you ever heard of a crab that looks like a strawberry? Well, a marine biologist in Taiwan claims to have found a new crab species that resembles exactly that. This fascinating creature has a bright red shell with small white bumps, giving it a strawberry-like appearance. Professor Hoping Ho from National Taiwan Ocean University believes that this crab species is similar to those found around Hawaii, Polynesia, and Mauritius, but it stands out because of its unique clam-shaped shell, which is about 1 inch wide. The discovery of this intriguing crab species has been confirmed by Taiwanese crab specialist Wang Chia-xiang, adding credibility to Professor Ho's findings. In June of last year, Professor Ho's team discovered 2 female crabs of this new species near Kenting National Park, known for its diverse marine life. Unfortunately, the crabs did not survive for long, possibly due to pollution caused by a grounded cargo ship in the area. The ocean depths hold many other mysteries, waiting to be unveiled. New amphibious centipede discovered. Have you ever heard of a giant centipede that lives both on land and in water? Researchers from Tokyo Metropolitan University and Hosei University recently found a unique centipede species in Okinawa and Taiwan. This large tropical centipede, known as Scolopendra alcyona, is the largest of its kind in the region, measuring about 20 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. It's the first new centipede discovered in Japan in 143 years, showcasing the incredible diversity of the Ryukyu archipelago. The scientists were thrilled to identify this unknown centipede species, which has a striking jade-colored shell. Interestingly, these centipedes exhibit amphibious characteristics, making them only the 3rd known amphibious species in the world. They prefer streamside environments and are likely endangered, inhabiting forest streams that are inaccessible to people. Considering the importance of preserving their habitat and the overall unexplored biodiversity of the Ryukyu archipelago, the research team plans to monitor and study these centipedes from a safe distance. This discovery serves as a reminder of how much there is to learn about the natural world and the need to protect these fascinating creatures. Potentially new human species discovered. Recently, scientists unveiled the first ever ancient human fossil discovered in Taiwan. It comprises the almost complete right side of a lower jaw with teeth that have a primitive appearance. The fossil was found in the Penghu Channel, situated approximately 15.5 miles off the western coast of Taiwan, at a depth ranging from 200 to 400 feet. This channel was linked to the Asian mainland during the last ice age when sea levels were lower. The fossil, known as Penghu 1, initially ended up in the possession of an unknown fisherman who sold it to a local antique shop. However, its significance was later recognized by a collector who then submitted it to Taiwan's National Museum of Natural Sciences. Analysis of trace elements suggests that the hominin lived somewhere between 10,000 and 190,000 years ago. The researchers point out that the jaw and teeth of the fossil appear more primitive than expected for its age, as humans generally evolved smaller jaws and teeth during the Pleistocene epoch. Notably, the resemblance between Penghu 1 and a 400,000-year-old fossil from Hexian, southern China, has led scientists to suggest that these fossils belong to a unique group of archaic humans. Nevertheless, they exercise caution and stress the need for further evidence to confirm whether it represents a new species. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Please make use of the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so we can keep in touch. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.